Okay, so then here's what we know. Here's kind of our summary. For a lot of people, they notice changes. They contributed to just aging, but it's reversible. And one of the easiest way to reverse aging is testosterone, because one of the common causes that leads to aging is a lack of testosterone.
Correct.
We know testosterone is building muscle and breaking down fat. We know that testosterone is critical for sleeping and making sure that you get good sleep. We know that it's a primary component of libido and driving libido. We know it's energy. So when people start feeling a lack of those things, one of the number one considerations that they should have is, do I have low testosterone? They come on over, we run labs here at Body Science and go through a clinical. We know it's a fast procedure, we know it's a safe procedure, and we know it's good at giving people the quality of life back that aging can oftentimes interfere with.
Absolutely. I always tell the patients, it's interesting. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is really within our control. And I can't think of too many therapeutic options that allow us to really control the aging process the way this does. And especially nothing that's natural, that is as safe and effective as these pellets. I always like to give my personal experience, because I have been doing testosterone therapy myself with the pellets for about 5 years now. And it changed my life. Like, it literally, I feel like a different person. I have energy. I get out of bed and I'm ready to, go to work and do things. And I'm motivated. It really, it just changes your life. I can tell you from personal experience, obviously I believe in it as a physician, but as a patient, to me, it's been life-changing. I can tell you that.
Okay. Doc, you're an MD and you've been practicing how long?
Going on 20 years now.
20 years focused on hormones here in Miami, saying I use pellets and I use pellets in my patients to restore better quality of life, better function. I 100% agree. Anything else you want to let everybody know?
No, I would urge anybody to really consider how they feel. It's not normal. Well, it is. Let me say, it's normal to feel these symptoms that we've discussed as you age. However, you don't have to feel that way. It's something that we can modify, and through a very safe and natural procedure. So I would strongly urge you to see how you feel. And if you think you have any of these symptoms that we've discussed today, give us a call. We'll be happy to discuss this with you, and we'll be happy to see if you're a candidate for this awesome therapy.
Okay, and then the one last thing I'll say out there for everybody, we're here at Body Science in Miami. We're right off of Sunset Drive. There are places that do pellets, but pellets are not all the same, right? There's natural and pellets that are not natural. There's pellets that have filler and pellets that do not have filler. So the approach over here is only natural, without filler, bioidentical. So I think what sets us apart from other places, well, number one, you, Dr. Farrow, and your hands. And thing number two, using pellets that are very different than most other clinics. Our safety profile when it comes to hormones it's second to none. Our criteria when it comes to treating patients, natural all the way. So we want is great results, but doing it in a way that's healthy, safe, and without side effects.
Absolutely, I agree.
Dr. Farrow, thanks so much for your time.
My pleasure.